majority of our day. That means that temperatures aren't going to be quite as hot as they were yesterday. We're not talking 90s for daytime highs, but temperatures are going to be warming up into the low to mid 80s today. So we will see that temperature trend here back closer to average. Dew points, however, are going to be staying in the upper 60s near 70. That means that it's going to be feeling very tropical. And with all this moisture here, that is also going to lead to an increase in instability, and some afternoon thunderstorms will be possible across the area. Now today, highs will be topping out in the low to mid 80s, but when you factor in the humidity, it's going to be feeling closer to 90 for Charlotte, Rock Hill, and Lancaster, feeling like those feels like temperatures here in the lower to mid 80s across the foothills. 86 is what it'll be feeling like in Morganton, 84 in Lenoir, and across the mountains. We'll see those temperatures today top out in the low to mid 70s. Now, as we look ahead here for what's coming our way, we have this upper level disturbance that's going to move through the area this morning. That is going to help to trigger some of those afternoon thunderstorms. Generally going to see around 5, 6 o'clock some of those thunderstorms beginning to bubble up in the mountains and then pushing outside of the mountains into the foothills and Piedmont as we move towards 7, 8 o'clock. Now, after sunset, we'll start to see these storms lose a bit of their intensity, but still expecting to see some showers and even a couple rumbles expand here past midnight into early morning Tuesday. So waking up early tomorrow may have a couple of those intense downpours across the 77 stretch. We'll do it all over again here Tuesday afternoon with more scattered showers and thunderstorms bubbling up. So we're looking at more of this typical summertime pattern with these thunderstorms that we're expecting here each afternoon through midweek. It's not until we see a cold front slide in by Wednesday into Thursday that we start to see some changes. But we're also watching what's developing in the Gulf of Mexico. We have potential here for what could become a lean in the next 24 to 48 hours in the Gulf. And the way that the models are trending, this could be a very intense tropical system. Likely right now, the way models are lining up, we'll be moving into the Big Bend region of Florida by Thursday. And from there, this system is going to be moving very quickly into the southeast. And that means heavy rain possibly Thursday into Friday for the Carolinas. So this is the big thing that we'll be watching next, as we could even be dealing still with some gusty winds into Friday morning. It's a lot to watch for here this week in the